has lost an area the size of Germany and France combined.
Meantime, lost just over 1,700 square miles.
Of toxic smog has covered the city.
On these social media platforms.
Despite wearing masks to protect themselves from the heat,
Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. We are from the group Regenesis, and we are here to talk about SDG 15, Life on Land. This is one of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals introduced by the United Nations. It focuses on conserving forests, protecting the biodiversity, and restoring lands that have been damaged by human activity. Why is this important? Because everything we depend on, such as food, clean water, fresh air, and even medicines, comes from the land. If we lose healthy ecosystem, humanity itself is at risk. Life on land is not just about animals and plants, it's also about our future survival.
First, forests. Forests are called the lungs of the earth. They are home to over 80% of terrestrial species, and they regulate our climate by absorbing carbon dioxide. They provide timber, fruit, and even the oxygen we breathe. Second, biodiversity. Every species, from the tiniest insect to the largest elephant, plays a role in balancing nature. When one species disappears, the whole system can collapse. This is why protecting biodiversity is crucial. Third, land and soil. Healthy soil allows us to grow crops and feeds billions of people. Soil also filters rainwater and prevents flooding. But once soil is degraded, it may take hundreds of years to recover. 4. Ecosystems. Wetlands, grasslands, rivers, and mountains are not only homes for wildlife, but also support human communities. They provide water, protect us from disaster, and supply resources. And finally, endangered species. Animals like orangutans, tigers, and elephants are threatened by habitat loss and hunting. Saving them is not just about compassion, it's about keeping the ecosystem balanced.
Unfortunately, there are many challenges that threaten life on land. Deforestation is one of the biggest problems. Trees are cut down for farming, logging, and development. This destroys habitats and contributes to climate change. Forest fires, often caused by slash and burn farming or human carelessness, can wipe out millions of hectares in days. Pollution is another major threat. Toxic chemicals in rivers, pesticide on farmland, and plastic waste all farm ecosystems. Rapid urbanization reduces green areas and fragments habitats, leaving animals with no safe place to live. And of course, illegal wildlife trade. Animals are hunted for their skins, tusks, or to be sold as exotic pets. This pushes many species closer to extinction. All of these challenges are man-made, which means we also have the power to solve them.
So, what can be done to protect life on land? First, government must enforce stronger environmental laws to stop illegal logging, hunting, and pollution. Without strong policies, destruction will continue. Second, we need more protected areas such as national parks and wildlife reserve. This safe zone give species a chance to survive and ecosystems a chance to recover. Third, communities and schools can take part in tree planting programs because planting trees not only restores forests but also reduce carbon in the air. Fourth, we must promote sustainable farming. Farmers can use eco-friendly methods that protect soil health, reduce chemical pollution, and still produce enough foods. And most importantly, we must educate more people. If communities understand the value of nature, they will be more willing to protect it.
If these efforts are taken seriously, the impact will be powerful. Forests will thrive, giving us cleaner air and more stable climates. Endangered species will have a chance to survive, keeping biodiversity intact. Soil and water will stay healthy, supporting agriculture and safe drinking water. Climate change will slow down because forests absorb greenhouse gas, and humans will continue to benefit from food, from medicine, and from the natural beauty of our planet. Did you know that more than half of modern medicines come from plants found in forests? Imagine what future care we might lose if forests disappear.
In conclusion, SDG 15, Life on Land, is about more than protecting trees and animals. It is about protecting humanity. If deforestation, pollution, and illegal hunting continue, we risk losing the very system that keep us alive. But if we act now, protecting forests, restoring lands, and saving biodiversity, we can build a future where both people and nature thrive together. So let us all work together, government, communities, organizations and individuals, because in the end, protecting life on land means protecting life on earth. Thank you.